you been riding dirt bikes?
This is my first one that I'm going to be ever owning.
Do you recommend a 450 for someone who's never rode an actual dirt bike? He rides a full-size Harley, so he knows how to throttle management.
Yeah. Then I was gonna say, if you have other experience on bikes, I think you can. Right. Once you sit, it tightens it up.
Look like a little kid.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's start.